The craziest moments captured on dash cam that will absolutely blow your mind. First, we have this motorcycle. First, it looks normal until you realize there's not a single person riding this thing. It's just swerving recklessly down the road. Pretty crazy. Next, we have this guy. He's really big. He pushed this girl, and then she just, what? Roundhouse kicks him to the face. That's pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Then right here, this guy, almost gets hit by the car, and he's on his phone. What is he doing? And then he falls.
Teach me the motherfucking run. Go around or don't get on my ass. I've been rear-ended twice. Twice. We'll go around.
I'm in no rush, man.
You're that close, motherfucker.
All right, you're crazy.
You ever get a license?
You're crazy, bro.
You don't like it, motherfucker. Get off the fucking bike.
Okay.
Get off that motherfucker now. Get off that motherfucker.
Locations impacted include Topeka, Rossville, St. Mary's, Silver Lake, Point, Maple Hill, Emmett, Davia, and Willard.